we have a family beach party to go to, and I'm bringing bulgogi, so we're gonna cook that right now. Just stepped on animal crap. So we're going to Foodland. We just came back from the beach. We spent all day at the beach, and we had like an hour drive back home, and I'm going to Foodland right now to get groceries for tomorrow's Christmas party, because yeah. So let's go to Foodland. Yeah, our Foodland, it's so nicely stocked. Oh, someone left the door open. Excuse me, do you matter? Look how well stocked this, like, look, this is beautiful. It's so hard for me to get a prime rib cut. Looks like we're doing barbecue ribs. Brown sugar. Like, look how well stocked our Foodland is right now. It's beautiful. I'm gonna get 2 things of this sauce because it's the most expensive one. Must be good. That is insane. So I just finished with Foodland. I'm gonna pick up our McDonald's order because I had no time to cook because we're at the beach. And then we're gonna, I think I'm gonna have a long night because I still have to set up Chris Park, our elf. Have a good day.